Okay, quick demo on how to use Poll Everywhere for anyone who wishes to use this tool. First thing you do when you want to set up a Poll Everywhere poll is go to the website www.polleverywhere.com. When you get there, you'll have to create an account, and once you've created an account and you sign in, you'll see something that looks a little bit like this page here. I've already got a number of polls that I've been using. Yours will be blank the first time you log on. To create a new poll, you click on the Create Poll button. It's all fairly straightforward. You then put in your question. You choose what your poll will look like. I normally stick with a text wall. I found that looks best if I'm doing an open-ended question. If I'm doing multiple choice, you don't get to choose what it looks like because all the multiple choice polls look the same. Once you're happy, click Create, and that poll now already exists. So that's as simple as it is to make a poll. I'll show you a few more of the advanced things now. Now, for people to actually take part in your poll, there are two ways they can do this. They can either go to pollev.com, where my cursor is at the moment, and then they can put in the number here, and they can put their message on the end. Or they could text that number there to this mobile number, so the text to this number, they enter that code there, followed by the message, and those responses then start appearing on this screen. Now this is the online version of your poll. If you want to include it in a PowerPoint, what you can do is hit this button here that says download a slide, and it will ask you to use the Poll Everywhere app, so you can download that and use it, and that allows you to put your polls into a PowerPoint. Not going to do that in this video, but if you basically follow the instructions that come up when you hit that button, it's all fairly straightforward. You can also have a look at how many views your wall has had, that people have been looking at. You can also change how people will respond, so you can stop people, for example, from using text message. You could allow people to use Twitter, and you can also change various other different things down here, like you can embed it as part of another web page. You can edit the poll as well if you click on this edit button here. I was just trying to find out where I was there. And when you're on this page, you can do things like change how many times each person can respond. So you can have it set by default to as many times as they like. If you only want people to be able to send one response in, you could say up to one time. You can also make the responses anonymous if you wish to. So that's a really quick overview of Poll Everywhere. I think that's enough probably for anybody who wants to use this tool to be able to do it. One word of warning, you can only have 40 people responding to any one poll. So if you have more than 40 people doing in an audience or something like that, or you want people to respond multiple times, when it gets to the 40th person, it won't allow any more votes or polls or responses after that time.